That is challenging. There we go.
Good job, good job. All the other moving targets before it are friendlies. So every time you hit one of them, you just TK'd.
In our 4-week Militia Bootcamp course, first thing you'll learn is accuracy, communications, comms. On our second week, you will learn number memorization, cap speed, and on your third week, you participate in scrims and get real-life experience against pro league players.
Okay. There we go.
Let's see.
Boom.
Let's see how. Let's make it a little more challenging. Go all the way to the last one.
All the way to the last one. All right.
Only moving targets. Focus on the moving targets. You're exposing your back. You're exposing your back this way. You know. Yeah, you might get a couple of picks this way, but you don't know who's behind you. But if you go up the stairs backwards, you can go upstairs backwards and still have an eye on who's in front of you and behind you. You know, right now I know for a fact there's nobody behind me but the wall.
Right.
And I hear you pass me.
And I'm coming through.
Yeah, I hear you pass me, and you're going up the staircase. I'm right behind you.
Yep.
Right.
I don't even know it. I'm like this. Yep.
Alright, cool. When you shoot a player, doesn't necessarily mean you killed him. Alright? It could be that you downed him, and downing a person and not killing them is just as dangerous as leaving them alive. Because now you just left somebody you left somebody alive to pass out information to the other team. So as you thinking as
our instructors have years of Onward experience, and our league players, we will turn you from a newbie to a professional player, capable of trying out for the best teams in the league. We have you playing like this, so.
Did they get this spawn? No, they're coming down the road.
Who the fuck has a grenade launcher?
woo, fucking ace.
No, this is a block.
From fucking where?
That little kid, by the way, is really fucking annoying. She's chasing me about with a pistol, so I've killed him.
It's on your body. Don't smoke.
It's on your right.
Be careful for the rocket launcher.